What is a Fab City? Oakland is a Fab City. As the mayor of Oakland, I am excited that we are joining this innovative coalition of cities and regions from around the world to be a Fab City. Oakland has always been a city of dreamers and makers. From our deep roots as a working class city, as one of the country's largest ports, we've always made things, big things like ships and bridges, and even small things like my earrings. We are full of creative, artistic, brilliant young people and the adults who mentor them. We see this initiative as a way to lift up the entrepreneurship that is in our communities of color, our communities that have sometimes been shut out from business opportunities. Diversity, inclusion, and equity drive everything that we do in Oakland. With Oakland in the heart of the San Francisco Bay Area, we are facing some serious challenges. We have to take on institutionalized systemic barriers, and we have to figure out a better way to start our young people off strong, curious, excited about where their education is going to lead them into the 21st century work opportunities. We accept that we must take risks. Oakland is about our people. Oakland is all about long-term sustainable change and evolution. We are in this challenge for the long haul. We are excited to be working with all our global partners. I am Oakland's Mayor Libby Schaaf, excited to sign on as part of the Fab City Coalition.